By the time we're through with Nigeria government, they will beg us to take Biafra. Simon Ekpa. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, they say things are really happening. They say Kasala don burst and water don pass Gary. If you see wetin dey happen now, you go marvel. You go say, this one dey happen for the land where they inside. The PM wey be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, don come outside come talk say, he say this time around, they say Nigeria government go collect woto for in hand, and say he don come outside to deal with them. He say by the time wey him go finish with wetin him get for mind, he say even the government go dey beg am make him take Biafra. And he also went ahead and said that he's going to bring Biafra from diaspora. That he told everybody that Biafra must come from diaspora as a Biafra government in exile. No be smart, Okay, my people, say they would they like to tell the truth and bring wetin person talk, making use him mouth talk as it talk am. We are gonna watch this video from beginning to end. I beg, may no skip am. Watch am from beginning to end. May hear everything. We be PM, we be Biafra government in exile. Talk Simon Ekpa. Oh yeah, may watch the video, then we'll come back, go analyze them more better.
Those using federal government plate number, state government plate number, local government plate number within Biafra territory, it remain banned. If you are using it as from today or from the day we made that announcement, what it means is that you are challenging the authority of the Biafra Republic government in exile and the Biafra de facto government in the homeland. And you will be treated the way the enemy will be treated, because you are supporting and aiding the killers of our people. What we are trying to do is to continue the delegitimization of the Nigeria government by these actions. I want Biafra people to understand that the sit at home is not targeted at anybody, at any Biafran, at any civilian, at any citizen. It is only targeted to make sure we crash and crush the economy of the Nigeria government within Biafra land. And this particular mechanism and measures is working perfectly. So those of you who say our measures are not, you are not going to enjoy in the liberation, in the face of liberation. You are not going to enjoy when there is a war. Okay? When there is a war, you don't think about who is sitting at home. You'll be sitting at home by force. And I want you people to understand that during the COVID-19, you were forced to sit at home for 3 months. The government did not give you palliative. It is a must. Why they were giving palliative to the people in the north and the southwest, they did not give you in Biafra land. You were told that your people are in abroad and in diaspora and they send money to you. All of us has forgotten this particular incident that just happened 1 year ago. The north were, flooded with food, rice, beans, that was impounded from Biafrans in Lagos and other ports within Nigeria. The Nigeria custom impounded the goods, including the former minister of solid mineral also. His rice, worth millions, was impounded by the Nigeria custom. Those rice were shared in the north. Did one Igbo or one Biafra person did not benefit from the rice impounded by the custom. That rice was imported by a man called Oga. Is it somebody Oga who was the junior minister in a dead Buhari government? Go and check it. His rice was impounded, and those rice were shared in the north. None of those rice got to east or to the southwest. Yet, you did not benefit anything. The sit at home for the COVID-19 did not add any value to you. But you were forced to sit at home. Now, the sit at home this time around is for you to get freedom so that you can develop your country, develop yourself, and attain to your potential in Biafra, where the Biafra government will design a policy that suits us according to our custom and culture, where you are going to practice a true democracy, which means the power belongs to the people. But you know, in order to attain this particular height, a lot of sacrifices will be made. And that is the sacrifice you are making today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been under incarceration for the past 2 years because he dared to speak against Nigeria, to fight for you. Today, he was kidnapped and locked up. And all you could care is when somebody comes to tell you, sit at home is disturbing our business. What about those who died? Extrajudicial killing by the Nigerian military police. Those who died in Nkpo, did they know anything about sit at home? Did they know anything about business anymore? Those who died in Aba, over 150 Biafrans were slaughtered, massacred in their cold blood while they were praying in Aba. And some of you were part of them who gave them the support that made them to have the impetus to go to the school for prayers. They were massacred there. Today, you are running away. Today, you remember that it's a business. But when you are supporting those Biafrans who went to pray in the school and was killed by the Nigerian military, you did not know that your business you don't need to sit at home. They died. What about those whom their houses were burned to ashes in Izombe? Most of them killed, most of our children killed in Izombe. They would have preferred sit at home than losing their life. They would have preferred sit at home than losing their properties and their house. What about those in Ekeo, in Ahia Otuto? Their businesses were burned. They would have preferred sitting at home. Let me tell you, with the actions we have now, we are giving it to the Nigeria state and their security terrorist group, Woto Woto. And that Woto Woto will continue. We will come to the point that they will not dare to drive in the street of Biafra. Very soon. I am telling you, we are talking about, checkpoint. I am telling you that very soon, you will not see one single military vehicle in any road in Biafra land. Mark my word today. It is going to happen. Very soon, you will not see them. We are going to give them the chase of their life. And let me tell you, you see this Biafra freedom? It is going to come gradually, step by step. Where we are now, the step we are now is the delegitimization step. We are still in the commissioners. By the time we get down to the House of Assembly members, by the time we bring it down to local government chairman, you will understand what I'm talking about. All of them will be defeated. As we are defeating Nigeria, we are defeating them. Now we are still in the commissioner. You know when we make this pronouncement, it takes time before you see the effect. The effect is going to come very soon. Don't worry. And when we finish from that side, we'll go to the House of Assembly members who facilitate this siege on Biafra soil. From there, we are going to go to the local government chairman. From there, we go to councillors. You don't know what is coming. Until you will see Nigeria no more in Biafra land. We have defeated the military at this point. Let me tell you, we have defeated them. They can't do nothing. If they say there is something they have to offer. I know they're watching me now. They can go and recover most of the heliosis we have collected from them. The Biafra Liberation Army have collected from them. And like I said, if those you cannot collect, burn them. But make sure that you try to collect them first. If it is a helos you cannot collect, burn them, destroy them. Let them not have that particular vehicle to come to kill us again. It is iron to iron, fire to fire, bomb to bomb, rocket to rocket, gun to gun. That is what it is. This is not the time to allow anybody to come and kill and go free. No, we are here. And like I said, I told Biafrans, we are going to bring Biafra from diaspora. I don't know how many of you remember that. We are going to bring the freedom of Biafra from diaspora. From this abroad. That's where Biafra freedom will come. Mark my word. This particular template to delegitimize Nigeria and liberate Biafra is working very perfectly. If you have not seen the green light, you know, some of them want me to declare Biafra immediately. But these are the people who have fought for Biafra for over 13 years. Some of them has been in Biafra struggle since 1999 with Wazirike, but they want Simon Ekpa to declare it immediately. No, I know what I'm doing. I am going to cut their wings. After cutting their wings, I am going to cut their tail. After cutting their tail, I am going to cut their leg. After cutting their leg, I will see how you see. Biafra will come. Do you understand? Do you understand the template? It is going to be, first of all, second of all, we will cut their tail. Third of all, we cut their leg. And then the next thing is a bupucha. Biafra will come. By the time we declare Biafra, they will be begging us to take Biafra. Believe me. Let me tell you the fact. The fact is that nobody anywhere in this world like Nigeria. Nigeria is evil. And I hate Nigeria with passion. I hate Nigeria with passion. You know what is passion? Burning desire. I hate Nigeria with passion. The country is nothing but, you know, a satanic kingdom. I think maybe, you know, there are people who believe in Satan, so let me not insult them. You know, I think satanic kingdom, there are people who believe in Church of Satan, so I don't need to insult them. They are in heaven anyway compared to Nigeria. Nigeria is evil, and supporting Nigeria is supporting terrorism. Look at.
Welcome back, my people. Last year watch that video and hear everything where Simon Ekpa talk for this particular video. A bit smart, you know, in saying hate Nigeria with passion, that if you see how he's going to open the ground and sink everything concerning Nigeria is going to do it. No be smart, you know, things are really happening. So now know how they do them. We'll go bring information and we'll go leave you to contribute, put for the information. I beg, may you not forget to share this video. Very, very important. Share it so that other people are going to get the video as well. May you tell us what you think for this video and what you think where someone Ekpa talk. If you support everything we talk for this video, I beg, may you not forget to comment support. If you get any agreement what you do for the things we talk, may you still leave them in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Don't be smart to know. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get that. For now, our Facebook page, we are not posting direct video for there because of one or two reasons. So we will drop our YouTube link for that place so that you go click and come here, come watch. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks.